Growing your own organic carrots at home is easy and can provide you color, flavor and nutrition. This popular root vegetable performs best in cool temperatures between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit and may be planted as soon as the soil can be worked in early spring. You can start sowing carrot seeds in the garden 2 weeks before the last frost date and then continue planting every 3 weeks until midsummer. If you plant a new patch as soon as the old one is established, you will be able to eat fresh carrots all the year. Well, preparing your carrot bed before planting the seeds is a crucial step for your overall success. Select a site in the garden in full sun or very light partial shade and prepare the soil with ample amounts of organic compost. First, rake the planting area. Keep it free of lumps and stones. Because carrot seeds are tiny, they need to be sown shallowly. My trick is to keep the topmost layer of soil damp during the long germination period. Direct sow the tiny seeds 5 mm 1/4 inch deep, 4 seeds per 2 cm 1 inch, and firm soil lightly after seeding. Water your patch carefully so not to blast out the seeds. Carrot seedlings will sprout in 1 to 2 weeks. Keep them continuously moist until they sprout. A constant supply of water is essential for germination. It's so important to thin carrots. They will not grow to maturity unless they have space to do so. Carrots need about an inch of space all around to develop properly. To thin, hold the plant between your forefinger and thumb at the soil level. Pull firmly to dislodge the entire plant from the soil by the root. Mound more soil around the roots of the leftover plants. Carrots will discolor if the top of their root is exposed to sunlight. Thank you for watching my video, so please subscribe to my channel.